We will tell you the 15 tips that will make you rich before your 50s. These tips are very important for you to follow, or you may remain poor forever. The 15th tip is important for you to follow, so you must watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Avoid allowing regret to dictate your future. Many individuals express regret for not beginning their investment journey earlier in life, or for not allocating more funds towards investments during their youth. Honestly, they regret many of their past decisions. It's important not to let regret hold you back from making the best decisions now. We all engage in this behavior in various aspects of our lives. You might ask, what is the most effective approach to managing feelings of regret? Take action now on the things you regret not doing before. Ensure that your past mistakes do not dictate your future decisions. Number 2. It's never too late to start building wealth. It is not uncommon for individuals to achieve millionaire status even after they retire. According to a report from Fidelity Investments, the average age for women to become millionaires is 58.5, while for men it is 59.3. It's never too late to take action. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. Number 3. Make regular and appropriate investments. Investing your savings is crucial for making your money work for you, rather than just saving it. It may come as a surprise, but according to research conducted by BlackRock, a significant portion of Americans' investable assets is held in cash. That might not be the most optimal choice. Imagine you're 45 and haven't saved enough for retirement. Begin investing $500 per month now. Consider allocating 80% of your portfolio to an S&P 500 index fund and the remaining 20% to a U.S. Treasury bond fund. Let's consider a 6% annualized average return. Assuming you began with no savings, by the time you reach 65, you would have accumulated $226,719. This amount would provide you with an annual income of approximately $20,000 to sustain yourself until the age of 85, assuming your investment returns remain consistent. While it may not be the most ideal situation, it is certainly a significant improvement compared to earning nothing annually. Number 4. Get up to speed. For individuals who are below 50 years old, catch-up contributions provide a convenient opportunity to boost their retirement savings. As you may be aware, there are certain restrictions on the amount you can save in tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. Once you reach age 50, you have the opportunity to make additional catch-up contributions that exceed the annual contribution limits. Number 5. Continuously expanding your knowledge towards personal finance. Bill Gates, renowned for his immense wealth, is known for always having a tote bag filled with books by his side. He has a strong passion for reading and acquiring knowledge. According to Thomas Corley, author of Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, a significant majority of affluent individuals express a strong affinity for reading, in contrast to a much smaller percentage among those with lower financial means. Affluent individuals have a particular affinity for reading about personal growth and development. Understanding personal finance, along with a diverse range of other subjects, is crucial for growing your wealth. Number 6. Discover a competitive edge and navigate the game on your own terms. Opinions on how to establish and attain wealth have evolved in recent years. An increasing majority of Americans, 65%, believe that individuals become wealthy due to having more advantages rather than working harder than others. So, what can you do if you didn't have the advantage of being born into wealth and opportunity? It's beneficial to have an understanding of the problem and maybe you can reconsider what constitutes an advantage. Discover something within your own unique circumstances, skills, or strengths and make the most of it. There's no need to adhere strictly to all of the current rules. Successful individuals in wealth building often adopt a unique perspective and make decisions that differ from the norm. Number 7. Set clear and big financial goals and right then. Research suggests that setting goals can have a profound impact on the way your brain functions, increasing the likelihood of taking actions that align with your desired outcomes. If you aspire to create wealth, set it as a personal objective. And don't hesitate to set ambitious goals. According to another study, setting ambitious goals can have a more rapid and powerful impact on your brain structure compared to setting smaller goals. After determining your objectives, it is crucial to document them for future reference. According to a study conducted by psychologist Gail Matthews in 2015, individuals who wrote down their goals were found to be 33% more successful in achieving them compared to those who simply formulated outcomes in their minds. Number 8. Create and sustain a comprehensive financial plan for the long term. Having a solid, long-term financial plan is crucial for setting and achieving your goals. Create a detailed and reliable plan with the New Retirement Planner. It assists in envisioning the future you desire and uncovering strategies to accomplish your objectives. With the New Retirement Planner, you can easily obtain a comprehensive written plan in just 30 minutes or less, completely free of charge. Number 9. Keep in mind the value of time and money. Every hour is valuable and can be used to generate income. And the more money you earn, the sooner you can enjoy your retirement. When it comes to building wealth, it's important to consider the balance between your time and financial gains. Consider the potential earnings per hour. Understanding the potential losses incurred when participating in non-profitable activities. Consider your goals and how you wish to spend your time. Number 10. Rise and shine bright and early. Achieving a state of increased happiness, improved health, and greater financial prosperity. There are many well-established advantages of waking up earlier. Being proactive pays off. According to biologist Christoph Randler, individuals who are most productive in the morning have a higher likelihood of achieving success in their careers. Number 11. Consider investing your bonus. It's an added benefit. This implies that if you receive one, it was supposedly unexpected. If it wasn't anticipated, then there may not be a need to allocate funds for that expense. So, what course of action would be most beneficial? Invest wisely in your retirement savings. And make sure to invest it. Number 12. Avoid borrowing from your 401k retirement account. Similar to the importance of maximizing your savings in retirement accounts, it is equally crucial to avoid borrowing from these accounts. To effectively build wealth, it's crucial to allow your savings to generate returns and expand over time. It is not advisable to borrow from that money. Consider looking into alternative options for obtaining emergency funds. Number 13. Keep an eye on college expenses. Navigating education expenses can be quite challenging, whether you're still managing your own student loans or trying to find ways to fund your children's college education. It can be challenging to refuse your children's requests, especially when you want to avoid burdening them with student loan debt. It is important to make retirement savings a top priority. Discover effective strategies for funding college education while also building wealth and preparing for retirement. Number 14. Taking care of your own parents requires careful consideration and attention. When faced with the responsibility of caring for aging parents, individuals may choose to retire early and dedicate themselves to full-time caregiver or dip into their retirement savings to hire assistance. When contemplating these choices, it's crucial to carefully assess your retirement security and long-term generational wealth requirements. Number 15. Consider the benefits of owning a home, and if feasible, explore the possibility of investing in additional properties. It is widely recognized that owning a home is a highly effective method for building long-term wealth. If you have already achieved that goal, perhaps it's worth considering the possibility of becoming a homeowner. Investment property has the potential to generate wealth and offer a steady source of income. Now, there are some things the rich do, but you don't. You could do those to get rich ever sooner. For that, subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the left side to know what are the things the rich do that help them get richer. These are the things you never do.